Hey everybody, Mr. Beltran here. Today we're going to do some putting, okay, just like you would in a golf or a mini golf game. Okay, you're going to need a few things here. You're going to need a putter, which for us is going to be a paper towel roll. Remember, just like in those other things, if you need to use something different, toilet paper roll, a couple sheets of paper rolled up, ruler, okay, anything else you might think of that could work. Okay, just make sure it's safe. Make sure that it's okay with the adult in your house that you're using it. Okay, that's going to be your putter. You're going to need a ball. I'm using a paper ball, okay, just crumpled up a piece of paper. If you have something different that you can use in your house, that's safe. But the adult in your house says it's okay, you can do that. And you're going to need a hole, okay? Now, for my hole, I'm just going to use a piece of paper, okay? I'm not really going to make a real hole inside my house. Okay, so I'm going to put this paper down on the ground, okay? And then I'm going to go back up. I'm going to just start real close for right now, just so you can kind of get the idea of what we're going to do. Now, since this is a lot shorter than a normal putter, I'm not going to be standing up. I'm just going to stay on my knees as I do it. Okay? When you're putting, you kind of want to have two hands on the putter. Now, since this is a little modification, if you want to only use one, that's fine. And then you're going to kind of just gently swing your arms back and forth to hit the ball. Okay? Now, the goal here is to make the ball go into the hole, which right now is this piece of paper. The entire ball must stop on the paper. So even if a little bit is off the paper, we're not going to count that. Okay, so I'm going to start right here, lined up. Like I said, it's not too far away, and then I'm going to lightly try to hit that ball into the paper. Oh, see, so now, I don't know if you can see it, but my paper is a little bit half on and half off of the hole. Okay, so that doesn't count as being done yet. So that took me one shot. Now, wherever it stopped, I'm going to go over there, and then I'm going to do my second shot to try to make it go on the paper. Now, since this is half on and half off, I just have to tap it just a little tiny bit to get it onto the paper. And then it stops completely on the paper, so it took me two shots to make that hole. Okay? So, some other ways to make it a little bit more challenging. First way, you back up. Okay? If you have more space, you can back up a little bit farther. Now remember, if you back up a little bit farther and you don't make it on your first hit, if you're way out there, like off this to the side, and you hit it and the ball rolls and it stops right here, that's fine. Then your second shot starts from right here, and then you try to make it onto the paper. Okay, and then if you, for example, don't make it, or if you hit it and it goes too far on the other side, then your third shot until it lands completely on the paper. Okay. Another way to make it harder, you can make your hole smaller. All you have to do is fold the paper in half, okay? Or fold it again, okay? You can decide how small you want to make it, but remember, you have to make it so that your entire ball can stop on the paper without touching the ground, all right? So, when you get off this video, I want you to play a little miniature golf, a little putting for about 10 minutes. You can play it by yourself, or if there's someone else in your house that you can play against, you can play against your brother, you can play against your sister. You know, if your mom or dad wants to play against you, that's fine. Okay, like I said, you can just pick different distances away and see how many shots it takes you to land on that paper. Okay? When you're done playing, don't forget to do your stretches, don't forget to fill out that Google form, and I'll see all of you next time.